Right now with meteorologist Lauren Whitney. Looks like we got some changes over the next 48 hours.
Yes, right now it's mild, but the snow is starting to move into the high country. So what are we watching here in the First Alert Weather Center? Well, overall, it's a fairly mild Tuesday, but tonight it gets colder and more snow into Wednesday. And then there's more snow likely to end the week as well. So several rounds of snow coming our way. Right now, though, it's just moving into parts of western Colorado, northwestern Colorado, into Larimer County as well. And then the Front Range Eastern Plains. For the most part, we're still fairly sunny, but there will be some changes coming in later on today. We have winter weather advisories from 8 o'clock tonight through 8 o'clock tomorrow night. Southwestern Colorado, you're looking at about 3 to 8 inches of snow. And as we zoom on in here across the Front Range, south of Denver and into the foothills, Castle Rock and out towards Lyman, you're looking at about 2 to 7 inches of snow in that time frame. As we head up to the north, our northern and central mountains, about 3 to 8, 4 to 8 inches of snow. So just enough to make the drive tricky. And again, it's kind of our first heavier snowfall driving in the Denver area and down to the south. So tomorrow morning's commute could be a little bit tricky out there. So just know that you may have to leave a little bit earlier or know that it'll take you a little bit longer to get to work. So let's start to time things out. That snow will increase as we head into the afternoon and into the evening. Now around 6 o'clock, there's a chance it's raining here in Denver. If it's not raining yet, it will be shortly after that. We'll have some snow already down in Douglas and Jefferson counties, rain out to the east, and then we continue to see that moisture build in the overnight hours. So by midnight, should be seeing some decent snowfall here across the Denver area, and then that will continue through the morning rush hour. And by noon tomorrow, start to see that break up, at least here in Denver. Could still be snowing pretty hard out east and down to the south. And then by late night tomorrow, everything should mostly be wrapped up, probably back to clear conditions here in Denver, except for southern Colorado could still be getting some heavier snowfall. And in terms of some models, there's a couple chances for some snow coming our way, all from one system. So by tomorrow morning, maybe an inch or so here in Denver. It's not expecting to be a ton for us, but it will hopefully be our first accumulating snowfall. And then as we continue this model all the way through Saturday, looks like there's a good shot, especially for our southern mountains, to possibly see feet pile up. And here in Denver, a couple of inches. Again, we're not anticipating a ton, but there is still the shot that we see some good snow. So what's going on here? We have this area of low pressure that continues to drop down for us. We're tapping into moisture from the Gulf of Mexico, and then this races out of here by Saturday evening. So there's still even a chance of snow on Saturday. There's still a lot of uncertainty, though, where exactly that area of low pressure sets up here across Colorado, because if it turns into a cutoff low, which means the jet stream doesn't force it anywhere, it just kind of goes wherever it wants. Taking a look at our temperatures right now, 54 in Denver, 50s out in the eastern plains, high country, lots of 30s. And then later today, low 50s for the Front Range and eastern plains, 30s in the high country. As we look at our super 7-day forecast, again, tomorrow is a First Alert weather day with that really good chance of snow lasting throughout the morning hours for us. So that is something that we're watching out for. And then we could see another First Alert weather day on Friday. So Denver, we're looking at about 1 to 3 inches of snow, 4 to 8 for the foothills. Wet and snow covered roads will make for quite the interesting commute tomorrow. And then we're drier and warmer come Sunday.
All right, Lauren, thank you so much. If you're still filling out your ballot,